In today's video, we're going to take a look at the new Pro T connector and see how you can build bigger and stronger than ever with 1-inch EMT conduit. Let's get into it. Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jake, and if this is your first time here, we share weekly build inspiration, tips and tricks, hacks, and other creative uses of ordinary materials, all so you can finish your DIY projects. If you like seeing videos like that, then definitely consider subscribing. We appreciate it. Today I'm excited to share some details about the new MakerPipe Pro T connectors. They're designed to work with 1-inch EMT conduit, which you can find in the electrical aisle of your local hardware or home improvement store. And we proudly make the connectors in our shop in South Carolina and ship them directly to you. The 1-inch T connectors come with a silver zinc coating that matches conduit really well. The finish on the connector is corrosion resistant, and EMT conduit is galvanized steel, so you can build outdoors without having to worry about any kind of corrosion developing from the weather. The Pro T connector consists of two mirrored parts that have an interlocking puzzle piece that clamp around the pipe like so. As you can see, the Pro T connector is much larger than the standard T connector that we make for 3/4-inch EMT conduit. This is because 1-inch EMT is 26% larger than 3/4-inch EMT pipes. This means with the Pro T connectors and 1-inch EMT, you can build bigger and stronger than ever. Because you're going to be building bigger projects, we wanted to make sure that the Pro system of connectors have built-in features that give you more confidence when building. The pre-applied friction band will add grip to the connected pipes and prevent slippage when it's fully assembled. The Pro T connectors will also come with pre-drilled holes that allow you to add number 8 1/2-inch self-tapping screws through the connectors and into the conduit. Since the two T pieces are mirrored, you can add up to 4 self-tapping screws to the connections. Building with 1-inch EMT and the Pro system of connectors is just as easy as before. The pipe and tube cutter that we sell on the site, along with the ones that you can find at your local store, work just as well to cut 1-inch EMT conduit easily. The connectors have the built-in pocket feature, which securely hold the nut in place while you tighten the bolt. Again, because the two pieces are mirrored, it doesn't matter which side the nut is on, and all you need is a single 5mm hex wrench to assemble the connector. When the Pro T connector is fully assembled, you have two connected pipes, one that terminates inside of the connector and then one that runs continuously through it. We are constantly adding accessories to give you more options and make building even easier. One of these accessories is an inexpensive adapter shim that allows you to use 3/4-inch EMT conduit with the 1-inch Pro connectors. This is great because you can be more cost-effective in your projects if the added strength of 1-inch EMT is only needed in certain connections throughout your build. For example, you could be building a canopy that has strong 1-inch EMT verticals and 3/4-inch EMT cross connections. We'd also love to know any other accessories that you'd like to see offered for the Pro connector system. We value your feedback greatly, and we want to make sure that you have everything you need to finish your DIY projects. The Pro T connector will be linked down below if you'd like to get more information. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.